13827, 13843, 13827, 13840, cancel 7509, 1861 handling.
27 Roger, you can advise them that they're victims at Gibson Meredith.
Reading from 4th and Central.
Approved 13827, the victim is at Gooseberg in the hospital.
26-1, we'll respond there. You can cancel him.
Misdemeanor, CPI, traffic, Santa Monica Processor, code 20582, RDE 36, identify.
835, send it.
8035, Roger. There's an additional call in queue for CPI traffic at 10547 Santa Monica. It's related. I'll go ahead and assign it to you as well. 617 RD 1708, unit to handle, identify.
Yeah, you call the line in the front desk.
Identify. 1270, Roger.
4918 and 49 calling me you.
A99 responding from the station to Balboa and Midwood. 89, Roger.
Bull and San Fernando mission.
Think the perfect angle of Manhattan is off limits? Not anymore. With InstaSky, you can unlock an instant, high-fidelity digital flyover of any coordinate in the U.S. From a postcard look at the White House to a sunrise sweep of Area 51. No flight plan, no permits.
Flyover 11308 Heartland Street.
Triple 4, no one's trouble.
All units, good for 3868 Potomac Avenue. Service of trouble.
Logged. Command Unit 2, additional cars staged on Oak.
Copy. Keep Maple shut down at both ends.
10-4, perimeter secure at 3rd Maple.
Your low volume.